Automatic brick machines shape the future of construction. These state-of-the-art machines speed up brick production and provide excellent results. They produce large quantities of bricks by producing quickly and the same perfect size every time, without compromising on quality. Hellerman Titan cable tying tool provides both excellent tension when crimping cables and cuts off excess material cleanly, so it does a professional job every time. Kingspower DRTR20 Pro is generally known as a cable tie tool designed for industrial or professional applications. Stanley FatMax TradeLift is a powerful hand tool that provides high productivity in the workplace. This tool is generally designed for carrying and lifting heavy loads and makes it easy to use with its durable structure and ergonomic design. Grass edging is used to create a neat and defined boundary between grass areas and other surfaces, such as flower beds, walkways, or driveways. It helps to prevent grass from spreading into unwanted areas and can enhance the overall appearance of your garden or landscape. The GEOFOAM system is a lightweight, high-performance insulation solution commonly used in construction and civil engineering projects. A lawn grading system is a landscaping solution designed to support and stabilize grassed or paved areas while allowing water to drain through. GRP roof lights often provide good thermal insulation, helping to maintain comfortable indoor temperatures. Olitex A is known for its excellent strength-to-weight ratio, making it suitable for structural and load-bearing applications. Amico bricks are manufactured from durable materials designed to withstand a variety of environmental conditions and provide long-lasting performance. Void TEK is a great system used in construction. This system creates voids within concrete structures, which makes the structure both lighter and more durable. iTrack Drivable is the perfect ground protection solution for construction equipment and vehicles. NSEB handheld printers are recognized as the world's most robust and powerful mobile printing solutions today, with the ability to print on virtually any media or application. Creating a table made of car tires adds a unique twist to this woman's outdoor garden look that repurposes old tires. Adding an acrylic tabletop for a stylish and modern look made it a pretty good table. Drive offers maximum job site versatility by securing camo collated screws and clips, giving workers a lot of peace of mind. Hoverbike is a futuristic vehicle concept combining motorcycle and drone features. It is designed to fly high above the ground, providing an exciting and potentially practical mode of transportation. The hoverbike these guys invented looks pretty good. The present invention is a diverse technique for filtering water with advantages and limitations. The water is passed through layers of coarse and fine sand that trap larger particles and some microorganisms. Sand filters are often used in large-scale water treatment systems. Modern shredders come in a variety of sizes and styles, from personal shredders for home use to heavy-duty industrial shredders for large organizations. They use different types of cutting mechanisms, such as strip cut, cross cut, and micro cut, to effectively cut the paper into small pieces, making it difficult to reconstruct the original document. The hammock pergola is a relaxing outdoor structure made using wooden posts and beams. It is an open-air structure created by beams mounted on wooden poles, where you can relax by hanging a hammock. The lattice wall invention refers to the creation of a frame or structure consisting of intersecting strips, bars, or other linear elements that form a decorative or functional pattern with open spaces. Mesh walls are used for a variety of purposes, such as providing privacy, supporting climbing plants, creating decorative partitions, and enhancing architectural design. Synthetic turf, also known as artificial turf or artificial turf, is a man-made surface designed to resemble natural grass. It is commonly used as a substitute for real grass in a variety of applications, including sports fields, residential lawns, commercial landscapes, and playgrounds. Swing construction, planning, design, gathering materials, choosing a suitable location, constructing the frame or support structure, if required, assembling the swing platform or seat, installing ropes or chains, securely attaching to a tree branch to hang the swing or fixing to a frame, trial and adjustment steps. Creating a smart automatic trash can involve integrating various technologies to improve its functionality and user experience. Self-cleaning mechanisms or linings are applied that facilitate easy removal of garbage bags. Designing an innovative fire pit involves combining safety, aesthetics, and functionality while keeping the environmental impact in mind. By designing the fire pit with easy-to-clean materials and removable components, maintenance and cleaning are made hassle-free. Creating a floating faucet fountain involves combining an optical illusion with water flow and support mechanisms. Such fountains give the appearance of a faucet pouring water into a suspended, invisible, or non-existent basin.
Walkways, public landscapes and squares are increasingly designed with large format slabs or precious cobblestones. For the professional and precise installation of these building materials, Weber Mount offers the perfect solution, the VPR 700 paver roller. Morn Lift Mini Smart Forklift is designed to lift pallets or goods with a load capacity of 550 kilograms and a lifting height of 1,500 millimeters. It works with longer lasting, ecological and economical battery power. With competitive systems, working on a slope or incline can be a return from the workforce. These systems often require the concrete to be cut when going uphill, causing operators to fight not only the weight and friction of the concrete they hit, but also the force of gravity. These workers, on the other hand, get rid of these problems thanks to the technique they have found. Interlocking bricks differ from conventional bricks in that they do not require mortar during bricklaying work, which makes the wall building process faster and requires less skilled labor. These bricks are interlocked without cement mortar and used in the construction of walls to create a structurally sound wall that reduces construction cost and time. It is a real machine designed for everyday use and will soon become a trusted and vital member of your team. Shifta has its own range of special accessories. Side skirts allow you to carry larger quantities of material with less leakage from the sides, great for wetter materials. Shifta machines can also be linked together in daisy chain to give you the ultimate transport solution. Absolutely Truly Bay Manhole System is the world's first standardized system for casting/repairing manhole chimney sections. It can quickly cut out a manhole frame and cover and lower it down to cone level and rebuild it at the same level as the height and slope of the road, guaranteeing sealing with a 20-year design life. These cutting-edge technologies will allow for cost-effective and non-disruptive extension of the life of Australia's infrastructure. Mr. Manhole Australia and Barwon Sewer Restorations are constantly researching new and innovative ways to use the latest products and techniques on the market. Make your flooring installations faster and more precise by swapping chalk and string lines for Bosch tiles and square layout laser. 1/16" accuracy even at distances of 100 feet makes it easy to set the tile accurately. Lines are projected well above ground level, enabling the laser to be used on uneven surfaces. The included aiming plate increases visibility, which results in better accuracy. Magnets at the base of the tool securely attach the tool to the positioning plate or other ferrous surfaces to ensure that the lines it projects stay in place until the job is complete. The Toolcrete 3-jet wall stucco sprayer can be used for applying plaster, small-scale shotcrete, papercrete, earthen mixes and more. It can be used for plastering a stucco house, traditional plastering of stuccos such as 1-coat or 3-coat stucco, GFRC, stamped concrete. You can also use it for a stucco fence and also helps in building organic sculptures. The new 230V alternating current or 400V three-phase compact mixing pump is designed for pumping, spraying and applying all factory mixed pre-mixed dry mortars, pasty materials and more. 7 mm. You can easily adjust the pump capacity according to your needs by changing the pump. The PFT Ritmo XL can also be fed pneumatically via an optionally available injection head. It can be disassembled into 3 modules. Robust and reliable large production machine for slurry sealing and microsurfacing. High-quality craftsmanship helps you work with the least possible downtime. With a full range of optional equipment, Macro Paver can handle any microsurface coating, slurry seal job. These are called pillar climbers and move with a pillar claw and hands grip, a harness, and safety lashing lanyards that will catch you if you slip or fall. Used together, steel column climbers allow workers to comfortably stand upright and stand with both hands free at the sides of the steel beams without the need for a forklift, crane or construction hoist. Make it easier, safer and cheaper to inspect, detect and paint tall buildings with the Housebots HB1 construction robot. Designed with a unique wall climbing technology, it can climb rough and smooth surfaces, including metal and non-metal. It provides high performance at low revs with the correct auxiliary engine selection used in its superstructure. It provides fuel savings and a quieter working environment. Contributes to road constructions very quickly. With this highly advanced invention, a very comfortable working environment can be provided on construction sites. This is how iconic houses are formed, thanks to this machine. Chain trenchers for skid steer loaders. CHD chain trenchers are designed for set section trenching on soft soils. The discharge screw on the right-hand side and the trench clearing device makes sure the trench is kept clean, while the slide provides maximum stability at any trenching depth. Polyfix has a versatile teacher. Instant wood glue and spray activator can be used to give any wood a glossy finish. Shelving, old wooden furniture, handicrafts, antiquities, etc. made to reinvent. 3 mm thick galvanized clits. Heavy-duty, rust-free design. The revolutionary design ensures that the bricks are delivered efficiently to the holder, always in order. Addresses issues of pull-in tables such as weight, power, navigation and leveling capabilities. Spider screed is ideal for concrete installations on upper decks, residential applications, on floor flooring and 3D surfaces. Concrete Canvas GCCM allows concrete to be made without the need for plant or mixing equipment. Open and position the concrete canvas and then just add water, any type of water, including seawater. Concrete canvas has no effect on the pH of the stream water. Co-Gest Tools Bell Auger is a mini archive attachment for drilling scaffolding holes. Muflu-Berg reshapes by shaping the bell in a flat and dirt preparation, easy preparation, one preparation and one preparation. It will radically improve the possibility of saving labor and concrete scaffolding. By investing in hollow wall insulation, you can significantly reduce heat loss in your home. The concept of insulating a hollow wall is really simple. It involves filling the space between two masonry brick shells with an insulating material that slows the passage of heat through the wall. Developed to improve storage conditions, the construction process of dome technology is based on integrating waterproofing and insulation guaranteed by a PVC membrane combined with the application of polyurethane foam. The dome's waterproofing is guaranteed by a PVC membrane that will form the initial forming and outer cladding. Heat insulation is provided by applying a layer of polyurethane foam to the entire inner surface of the dome. Comparative analysis of two options for investment and construction projects, partial robotization of production and traditional work organization, was carried out on time and cost criteria for minimizing construction. The road printer is a divisible paving machine of 4, 5 and 6 meters which can pave a whole road with edge finishing at once. The machine can pave a road with a maximum width of 6 meters at once. The road width is adjustable on the machine, allowing all widths from 1 meter to 6 meters to be paved. Vinyl floor can look stunning, but you need to take care of it properly, and to make it easier, you might consider investing in a cleaning machine to help you do it. There are quite a lot to pick from, however, so to guide you through the options available and to ensure you pick the right one for you, here are our choices for best vinyl floor cleaning machine that will keep your floors in optimum condition. Let's face it, painting is a fun activity. After all, you witness the change and beautification of your home moment by moment, and you do this with your own hands. We think it's a good idea to give the walls a new color. These workers really prove that they are more skilled than many painters. People who want to cut glass must first place the glass sheet on a flat surface. The surface of the glass to be cut must be cleaned. It is important to wipe the glass surface with a cloth to avoid any problems during the cutting process. A glass cutter must be used to cut glass. A cutting oil is needed to apply on the glass. Cleaning gel paste, with its easily shaped kinetic structure, reaches every area and makes it clean. You can use the cleaning gel paste many times. All you have to do is press and pull once on the dusty and dirty area. The dirty area is cleaned in seconds and there is no residue or stickiness of the gel paste on the applied surfaces. You don't have to take your car for a thorough cleaning to get clean fabric seats. You can easily clean fabric seats yourself. To clean the seats, vacuum them, apply a thin layer of cleaning solution, use a brush to scrub the stain off, then wipe off excess water and suds with a towel. Since your roof is checked at the same time with the roof painting process, you will not have any problems with your roof for a long time. This paint has a roof protective feature as well as a decorative feature. Any type of roof can be easily painted. In fact, many of our customers demand that their tiles be painted. In this way, your tiles will have a new look like the first day they were installed. During roof painting, your roof is examined in detail from start to finish. If there is a situation that needs to be repaired on the roof, the problems are solved by intervening before painting and the roof is painted on it. Roof paint differs chemically from other paint types. This paint, which is more permanent and durable than other paint types, has a very long usage time. You can get rid of dust by wiping the inside of the windows with a damp cloth and the outside of the windows with a brush dipped in warm water and cleared of excess water. After this stage, you can start wiping the windows using your glass cleaner products. Of course, your cleaned windows should look sparkling, and there should be no scratches on the windows while wiping. This is why the glass cleaning product you choose is very important. For example, cream products can both scratch your glasses and leave marks on them. These workers are very good at factory work. Thanks to the invention of this man, branches can be easily cut. It is truly incredible that this worker is working under dangerous conditions. Thanks to this invention, trees can be divided easily in this way. This is how irons are customized at very high temperatures in this factory. Thanks to the tool this man used, the floors in the house can be made in this way. You will enjoy watching these factory machines. These factory machines are truly enormous. Look at these construction workers. It's so relaxing to watch these workers who are so talented at their jobs. Thanks to the equipment used by these workers, pavements can be built in this way. Thanks to these huge machines in the vegetable farm, hundreds of vegetables are collected in this way. There are many difficulties that we encounter in our daily life. These jobs are very easy for disciplined workers. Look at that whirlwind. You will definitely be respected. I would love to use this factory machine. I have prepared the world's best welding machine videos for you. Watch till the end. The modern factory machinery that has entered our lives makes a great contribution to us. You can see many processes in this video. Check out the power of this saw. Although it is thin, this is how it shatters iron. Oh my God! What is going on in this factory? You will be amazed by the incredible workforce. Many heavy workloads are now being done by modern factory machines. We continue to watch the most incredible factory machines. Each can be a separate work of art. Because it is very useful. They are also very helpful to the workers. Not many people want to be in such dangerous places. But these workers overcome all difficulties with great determination. This dumpling machine will shock millions of cooks. We call on the best factory workers in the world. This guy does this job all day. He has forgotten to be tired. These engineering marvels of factory machinery will blow your mind. There will be more videos like this to come. So stay tuned.